Right now, we are bringing across a youth now, Sambonie, and it's hard-working artist, but a normal. I'm a part of the Ching squad too. Him help Wagwan and set the whole thing. Sambonie, I want you to tell Builders TV and the rest of the world and Ching tonight. We'll give you the idea and the encouragement to bring Ching to life. We'll give you the idea, the influence to bring Ching to life. Yo, I say, well, hear this. Ching was destined to be, Semasa. Can you ever go on now? I'll start take it to the world and lock it down, you see, Semasa? And take the dancing to a different level where it might rhyme to the people with straight reason. I guess all of them thought they come from, you see, Semasa? So Sambonie and DJ Sean, they don't have them idea from day one, you see, Semasa? To take the thing to another level and say Ching and make some youth in the community start eat some food. It's Semasa Ghatti, you know what the thing? A Sambonie say the thing and they must say the thing. Yeah man, real Sambonie man. We want to ask you, what going with the career right now, the music, and how far you feel so you reach, and if you have any album out there yet. Alright, here we go now. Here we go. See, to me, now one of the hills got them, one of the tough youth in the business where the underground where not really surface yet to the wider scale of people. Them say, but anytime the thing surface the right way, car we are damaged underground. Anytime it surface the right way, you know it's a crazy music from Sambonie the people are going to get. You say, yeah man, Sambonie man, that was Sambonie. Right now, Sambonie, in our Jamaica, boy, we have some real bad times. We have some problem right now with the youths, them in the community, a bit of crime and violence. Man, kill off them one another. When you, as a DJ in the business, we have positive lyrics. Give Builders TV and the rest of the world some ideas as how to deal with these situations. Well, here I go now. A youth, not for really follow your artists, I say. A youth just know say music, see? And you can't go by what the artists them say all the while. See, a man for know him own a journey and him own a destination. You understand, like how you Ghatti is a Rastafari and I is a Rastafari. See, so a youth can say Rasta said we and will a good living without no war and no violence. You see, real. The youth are brilliant. I love how the youth express himself. I love how him deal with it. Right now, in the music, they are now endorse a new rhythm by the name of symphony. We are going to take over the world. I know you hear it already. So I don't know if you voice pan it yet. I don't know if you voice pan it yet, but I know you hear it already. Alright. More you give me your take on what you think Builders music is doing for the music industry and how far you think Builders will reach for the music industry. And here we go on. So right now, Builders music up on a level where I love how they do the thing, you see me, sir? And they have a plan. When we know say the plan, they must work. Because watch out, Ching him there right now. You understand? And he might make the talk to the pop. Because you can't get dollars by the box if two are not sweating a socks. Bless up, love, brother, man. And give thanks, brother. You hear me? Let's go and bless up, keep the faith, and keep spreading the positive vibes. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Sambonie, Builders TV for life. Yo! Money action. Man, never go over Bodley. DJ Sean with me sport by the Bobo Bodley. Forget the girl, I'm so sweet and lovely. Girl, I'm so neat and ugly. Table man, that's in a love true, your cocoa cuddly. You sitting tight, girl, I'm a monthly. You want to know, we make you get gaga godly. Hey, this thing also, Baba Bodley. Hey, I say, smart, say. The girl, I'm not Sambonie when I'm on DJ. Hey, I say, pull up. You don't know. Ghatti. Yo, I say. No. Love the vibes and the endorsement, yeah. A Sambonie that and